Mga kapatid, let's give it up for the epitome of an empowered Gen Z and a secret in Prague's Kiara, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Siyempre, palakpakan po natin the one and only Blythe. Miss Andrea Brillantes. Blythe, bati ka muna sa ating mga kapatid.
Hello po, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you all so much for being here.
Ganyan nga, anak. Ganyan nga.
Oh.
Pag pinalaking Mondragon, ganyan.
Yes, Mommy Dragon.
Tingnan mo naman. So beautiful. At ito na nga po kasama na natin si Andrea. And sure akong merong gustong-gusto kayong itanong. Lalong-lalo na ang ating media friends. Kaya take it away, Miss Pat P and MJ.
Okay, una nating makakasama si Jerry Donato mula sa Philippine Star. Jerry, take it away.
Okay. Andrea, congratulations on the success of your show. So basically, my question is, ano yung maaasahan namin doon sa character development ng iyong character? And also the narrative of the show.
Well, alam naman natin na laki sa Prague si Kiara at laki siyang yaman. At ngayon naman, madami na siyang matututunan dahil pinili na din niya magbago at matutong mamuhay ng simple. At meron din siya pagdadaanan kung saan mamimili ba siya, kung ano ba ang pinaka-importante sa buhay niya. Ang gusto niya ba o ang mahal niya?
Okay, thank you very much, Jerry. Next question from Albert Albelido. Vlogger po natin si Albert.
From Chicanes.
Of course, hi!
Hey, mabuhay. Congratulations, Blythe. With your transfer to TV5, we've seen a different Blythe talaga. Okay, from the roles that you did and of course, the way you characterize it. How are you embracing the new Blythe that we are seeing in TV5?
Well, thank you so much for that. But wala naman po talaga akong ginawa na maging new Blythe ako. I think it's more of just a lot of people, because I grew up in the public eye, tingin talaga nila ako tong child star, tong bagets ako. But honestly, reality, it's just I'm growing up lang po and being more matured. I'm not trying to do anything new, but I'm just growing up as a woman and learning a lot from myself, learning a lot sa lahat na nakakasama ko. So, wala naman po talaga akong super binabago or pinapakilala na ito ang bagong Andrea, kundi tumatanda lang po ako at madami na po akong natututunan at nababago.